How to fix login error in Haze travel application. First, you want to make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to your internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're facing any other kinds of issues, simply go to your settings, and here you want to tap on General, click on iPhone Storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Haze travel application. Tap on Show All and tap on Haze travel application over here. Tap on Upload app and simply click on Offload app again. Reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you face any other kinds of problem after that, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.